Well, it must be raining, raining in my heart, raining in my heart. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Sure wish I had the keys to the bathroom. That's right, the bathroom's really a good place to go to the bathroom. You don't want me using the big pond there, cement pond, as a toilet, do you? Toilet? Toilet over the rainbow. Toilet. Oh, it's raining. Oh, it's too cold to be out in the summertime in the rain. The rain in Spain falls mostly on the plain. La 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 la. Let's go look at the pool rules that nobody here adheres to. No diving, no drinking with bottles. No glassware allowed in the pool area. They do it anyhow. I wonder why. Oh, I wonder, who wrote the book of love? Chapter C, to D, islands in all my heart. Chapter 5, meaning no romance. Chapter 6 said she loved me. Give me that. Oh, I wonder, who wrote the book of love for Kate? I wonder why. Oh, I wonder why Jessica and Roger Steins won't let me have my little granddaughter over to my house, my apartment. All alone? With grandpa? Oh, maybe grandma, because of Mr. Wilson. He's so responsible. 50 years, you know. 50 years in the printing business. 50 years. Rick Wilson. Hello, Mr. Rick Wilson. How do you like passing judgment on everybody but yourself? Justin's come to help Jessica and didn't have nice things to say about Alan, the antelope. Alan's a very nice antelope. Indeed. Lightning striking again and again and again and again. Ever tell the story about being in Giant Stadium with Jacqueline Boring all day long? All day long. I said, would you believe if I prayed that the sun would suddenly come out, and it's been cloudy and the sun, and it's been cloudy all day? She goes, sure, I did. I prayed, Lord, separate the heavens so the sun come out. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suddenly a break in the clouds. Jacqueline Boring was going, oh my gosh. And when I just previously met her about 4 or 5 days earlier, she said, I'm not into this Jesus thing. I still like the cocaine. Red wine. I love to drink my red wine. One took over the line, sweet Jesus. One took over the line. Oh, Logan, don't be telling all the children this. I like LSD. My brother Michael gives it to me. I love LSD. I take it all the time. So does he. And I love Timothy Leary. He should have been president, even though what he wrote about drop out, drop in. And Art Linkletter's daughter jumped out of a building saying, I see God. His own daughter. Art Linkletter, the man who was the toast of the town. I think it was not the toast of the town. That was Ed Sullivan. But Art Linkletter had his own program. His children say the funniest, silliest, amazing things. One of those shows. We had so many in the 1950s. 1950s turned in the 1960s. And then we found... Should I go swimming with my lovely phone? No, that's not smart. Why would I do anything stupid like that? Maybe I'll say goodbye to the rain. Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain. Tells quite a story of me. I wish that I could get up and not have to pee along with you and me. Raindrops keep falling all over myself, and I don't know why it's falling on myself. La 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 la. Ooh, these are cold, right? Raindrops in the middle of the heat. Humid heat, John Dobson. Humid heat. Why don't you buy the state of Florida for me? Johnny Dobson had some money. E-I-E-I-O. He didn't know how to be very funny. E-I-E-I-O. He lectured me and he lectured you. E-I-E-I-E-I-E-I-E-I-O. I met a man named Rungle. I met him in the jungle. The moon was bright. It was a Saturday night. Woo! It was Saturday night. I said, now, hey, everybody, let's rungle tonight. And we sang Rungle in the jungle. It's a happy, happy tune. A happy, happy, happy. It's really starting to rain now. Raindrops are coming down. Raindrops are falling on my head. Bye-bye.